Party. Yeah. And of course, Mom's thought of everything. Are you ready for your party? Who brought you that little Tykes car? Yeah? And that's JoJo's garage. He answers the phone. City garage, JoJo Gross, baby in charge. What can I do for you, mister?
Let's go see. Come on.
Joe, who's at the door? I think it's your first party guest.
Come on, JoJo. I like this. Can I play with that? Oh, look,
Yeah.
Shana. Cool.
Let's open Shana.
You can do it as they come in. Real good. That's good.
Oh, look. It's a puzzle.
There's 3 puzzles in there.
That's neat. Thank you. Wow.
Who brought you that?
Hey, that sounds good. I'll have something.
Joseph, who brought you that?
I didn't know you put that away. That's all.
No, Shauna brought you that.
I wish we didn't have this.
So you got the little Tykes activity?
Yeah, he really likes it.
At Lionel. You gonna tell him that 2 is just a last? Oh, and Shauna. Oh, how much fun. Oh, look who's... Look how big she comes back and looks so early. They look sweet.
Andy is here.
Shauna. Shauna.
We're interested in the party, friends. What is that, Joe? A pinwheel? You got a climber key? Joe's trying to climb up. There's Michael. Attaboy. Attaboy.
Let's see JoJo go down. 1, 2, 3. 1. Woo! There you go.
Yay! Great!
Go.
That's great!
Yes.
I hope they stay,
Oh, the little type stuff.
yeah.
Is this all on film?
Wow.
Shauna's got her hair up today.
Wow. Look at that. Sorry, I didn't.
This is JoJo's friend, Allie Boucher.
That's wonderful, isn't it?
Allison, whose birthday
Allison
is
does
it?
have party. And she's got to wear her
Thank
pantyhose
you
today.
to Allison.
Can you give her a kiss, JoJo?
Give her a little kiss on the cheek.
Oh, she loved that.
Give her a little kiss. Oh, that's cute.
Turn around and say hi to Jay, Allison. Turn around. Say hi.
Hi, cutie.
Okay, we're gonna open this later. Okay.
In the back room, Big Bird is getting ready. Big Bird is getting ready to make the big appearance at the party. Who is this mysterious creature? Who could it be? It's Uncle Tom Tom. What a guy. And is he taking off from work? Let's see what time it is. Ooh, he is.
That's right.
He's taking off from work. This is nice, Tom.
It's my pleasure.
Allison's favorite dress if you tell her you're going to a party.
Oh,
What do you
Shana.
wear?
Looks like a party dress.
Her bow dress.
How do you keep it so clean? Is what
It's semi-silky if you look closely.
You
but
soak
we
it
just
in
don't look
biz.
closely.
Soak in biz.
you find that this
I have every stain spray that there is. I swear to
soak
God.
in
You
biz.
soak them in biz?
You gotta soak them. You could even soak them 24 hours. Soak, though. Invisible
I-
little detergent.
I spray them with 4 different kinds, then I rub grease relief into the spot.
Big Bird, the theme of this party.
Adorable.
Just got little palm leaves.
Let me see who makes this. Yeah. Hi, Papa Jay.
cutie pie.
Coming to you live. Channel 2.
Michael, that's Rachel.
That's baby Rachel.
Isn't she? You're gonna say so fat.
No.
Yeah, she's that too.
Hey, Rachie.
She's not bad. She's
real
50th
active.
percentile.
Tough.
She's a toughie.
Really
I mean, she's
strong.
solid. Yeah.
That kid, poor thing. Look at her. Oh, is she cute?
Is that a cute kid?
What a cute age. Wait, Mindy, tell us.
That's Allison.
Quite a party, JoJo. Quite a party. We're ready for the entertainment.
So, did you find everything you needed to kind of?
Somebody's at the door.
Hi, everybody. It's me, Big Bird. And welcome to Sesame Street. I'm here to talk to you
Come on in
about
the porch,
number
Big Bird.
one. Now, I was just sitting in my nest over there thinking about that old number one. And I said to myself, well, there's just one Sesame Street. Maybe I could talk about that. And then I said to myself, well, there's just one Mr. Looper's store. Maybe I could talk about that. But then I said to myself, hey, wait, there's another thing that there's just one of, and I'm sort of proud of that one thing. Do you know what it is? There's just one me. Nobody like me, take a look and see. Just one me. The sound of my voice is like no voice that you've heard. Whatever I am, I know I'm one special bird. There's just one me. Nobody like me, look around and you'll agree. In the whole wide world of people that you see, there is just one me. Well, let me see. Look up. You know what it is? There's just one you. Nobody like you, take a look, it's true. Just one you. The smile on your face is like no smile that I see. You're one special person if you know what I mean. You're just one you. No other person who does all the things you do. Yes, it's absolutely, positively true. There is just one you. Yeah, there's just one you. Just one me. And that makes me very happy. Right next to me, I could be in front of you, but that's next to you, my favorite is next to you. It means we're standing side by side from day to day. Hey, what do you say? With me next to you, and you next to me. That's the super cool, extra nice way I'll always be.
Next one's a game. Get around in a circle.
Hold on his hand. Hold on to his hand. That's on him. That's like that.
Okay, just get up and let's do it again.
Let's do it.
First you take your left foot, kick, kick. Then you take your right foot, kick, kick. Then you take your left foot, kick, kick. And then your right foot, kick, kick. And now you step around in a
Big Bird.
That's
Hi, Allison.
Okay.
I love you, Allison.
Ooh. Say bye-bye. Okay. How about Shauna?
Shauna. I love Shauna too. You have a cute mommy, Shauna. All right.
Can you turn around?
Michael,
Turn around so Terry will get a picture.
Yeah, I want to take your picture, Michael.
How about
Give him five.
I love Joseph. He's a good boy and he's got good parents.
Smile.
And I hear that Joseph's voting for George Bush. Good Joseph. I love Joseph. And his friend Michael. And I wanted to be at Joseph's birthday party because I hear he's 2 years old. Hey Joseph, who's Big Bird voting for?
Look. Two.
Jojo, who's Big Bird voting for?
All right. Big Bird.
Let Michael sit on his lap, Jojo. Yay!
Training their son well. I appreciate
Nice
that.
kids here. This is a nice birthday party. But I love all the kids here.
Okay, Joseph, give me one more time, okay?
Joseph, do you have anything to say to this Big Bird character?
That's okay.
Smile, can you say cheese?
You want to go on his lap? Okay,
Yeah,
let Joseph get his picture.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else want to see Big Bird?
Okay, Joseph will come down by himself.
Okay.
You did it.
It's
Look,
Sesame
Allison.
Street.
Look who's up there. She doesn't take it so bad.
Thank you, Mr. Michael.
Okay, that's cute.
Okay, happy birthday, Joseph. Bye.
Come to my party.
Well, yesterday,
I'm going back to Sesame Street.
I'm gonna go shoot in this nest.
Joseph saying goodbye to Big Bird.
Gosh.
These are for Tom's
Isn't it
girlfriend.
like- Oh, phew, it's like hot, I think. He's kind
Hey
of
Tom, good job.
sweaty,
Thanks,
you know.
Jay. It was my pleasure for
Yeah,
Joseph.
here.
You're too much. Thanks a lot. Anything for JoJo?
Oh, the legs. Get a shot of just
The costume?
oh, the legs. The legs. Not so much. Boy, you're hairy, aren't you?
Oh, we're getting ready for the main event.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear JoJo. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle out. Allison, blow it. Blow it. She's so thoughtful. Everybody else, blow it. Well, Shauna's got the negative.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Hey JoJo,
Brian doesn't even need that. You think so?
you got your favorite stuff. M's.
Allison, did I put a hat on you?
And cake.
Where's the hats?
Look at this. Oh, I guess
Wrote
I'll have
some.
to fix a little.
There's only like. Oh. What's your stitch?
Mikey, let's not write a card
Over
in
the
the house.
summer, are you not putting Shauna in any? Is this mine?
Let's
No,
not
it's
write
not.
in the house. Go back to the kitchen table.
Here you go.
Let's have birthday cake.
Thank you. Was that birthday? Please consider the birthday cake. What you got? Here's yours.
Rachel.
You want that?
She said, you know, all you just want me to
That's okay, don't worry. What's the matter?
She said that yours is so fine.
They took the skin off and let's put it back on. It's not a problem.
I was over once.
JoJo.
I was over once.
Hey Joseph, how's your cake taste?
Third baby, but it's almost a little more understandable. But he had his in-laws over and he
It's like, enough of this, get me out of here. Oh, are you thinking I've been eating M&M's in one Danish?
that age, I guess they just really.
Get around.
Baby, no, shut up. Get away, get your butter. This is Rachel.
What's Michael doing, JoJo?
This is the right side. They tell you this is the right thing.
Yes.
This year, Allison will have her second birthday party with
Rachel
Stacy.
will blow her.
It'll be a gargantuan number of children.